Hello students, now we have new topic, that is division. Now division, symbol of division is this, and this is repeated subtraction, means we have to subtract according to the table till we get 0. This is 20 divided by 5. So you count the table of 5 like that. This is repeated subtraction. 20 minus 5. We have 15 minus 5, we have 10 minus 5, we have 5 minus 5. So we will do like that, repeated subtraction till we get 0. So this is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, means 5 4s are 20. You know the table of 5? 5 4s are 20. So 4 is quotient, 5 is divisor, and 20 is dividend. Another method is like that. Here we have in between 20, 5 outside. Now you count the table of 5. 5, so this is a smaller first number. So you go to the next number. That is 5 4s are 20. So this is subtraction. We have done here repeated subtraction. Now we have like that. So we have 0, 0. This is quotient, this is remainder, this is dividend, and this is divisor. Here we have dividend, divisor, quotient, means 80, 10, 8. Means we have to count the table of 10 till 80 will be there. Now table of 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, like that. 10 eights are 80. Means 80 is dividend, 10 is divisor, and 8 is quotient. Again, 63, 7, 9. You have to count the table of 7. 7 nines are 63. You have to count the table of 8 till 56. Stop where 56 will be there. Now count the table of 8. 8 sevens are 56. Again count the table of 6. Count the table of 6. 6 eights are 48. Now count the table of 3, like 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So stop on number 24. 3 eights are 24. Like that. You know the table of 2. 2 tens are 20. So quotient is 8, divisor is 10, dividend is 80. Like that. You have to count the table of 7 till 63, means 7 nines are 63. Now look at here. 80 dividend, 10 divisor, 8 is quotient, means count the table of 10. 10 eights are 80. Again we have 63 dividend, 7 divisor, 9 quotient, means count the table of 7. 7 nines are 63. Again dividend 48, divisor 6, quotient 8, means count the table of 6. 6 eights are 48. Now what to do for division fact? Division fact means A. Dividend is 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Means 80 is dividend, 10 is divisor, quotient means answer. 10 eights are 80. So this is quotient. This is division fact of A. Now 63 dividend divided by divisor, 7 nines are 63. Here 48 divided by 6. So 6 eights are 48. Again division fact, dividend divided by divisor, quotient means answer. So 10 eights are 80. 7 nines are 63. Count the table of 10 and stop on this number. So 10 8s are 80. So here it is 8. Count the table of 7 and stop on this number. 7 9s are 63. Count the table of 6 and stop on this number. 6 8s are 48. Like that. Division is also called repeated subtraction. Means dividend divisor. When we divide 20 by 5, means subtraction method, we have to repeat smaller number from bigger number. 20 minus 5, 15, again minus 5, 10, again minus 5, 5, then again minus 5. Till we get 0, we have to repeat subtraction by the smaller number, that is dividend. Dividend divisor, that is divisor. So take the smaller number, that is divisor. 32 divided by 8, take it as subtraction sum, and 32 divided by 8, there is 24, again divide by 8, 16, again divide by 8, then 8 divide till we get 0. So here we have 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Means 4 time when we count 5, table of 5, we get the answer. Again here repeated subtraction. When we do 5 1 time, 15, then 2 time, 10, subtraction again 5 3 time, 5 4 time 5, we get 0. Means quotient is 4. Quotient is 4, like that. When we do 32 divided by 8, means repeated subtraction. 32 minus 8, we have 24, again subtract 8, 16, again subtract 8, 8, again subtract 8, we get 0. Means 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, then 4 time. 4 time when we count table of 8, we get 32. So stop on this number and get the quotient. Quotient means answer. This is repeated subtraction. One another number that I am going to give you, that is, now another number is 48 divided by 8 by repeated subtraction. We have to take out the subtraction fact. So this is 48 minus 8. What is this? This is divisor, this is dividend. What will be here? 40. Again 8, 32. Again 8, 24. Again 8. What will be here? 16. Again 8, 8. Again 8. So till we get 0, we have to subtract same number again and again and again. Now look at here again, 48 divided by 8. What is the quotient? This is divisor, dividend. What is quotient? 48 minus 8, 40. This is 1 time. Then minus 8, this is 2 time. Then 32 minus 8, 3 time. Then 24 we get, minus 8 4 time. Then 16, again 16 is here, 5. This is 4, this is 5 time. Then we get 8, 8 minus 8, 6 time. So what is the quotient? That is 6. Means if we do 48 divided by 8, we get quotient 6. So what is the division fact? Division fact means 48 divided by 8, quotient is 6. This is the division fact. Again, division is also called repeated subtraction. So what you have to do? Take it here, divisor down and dividend up. 48 minus 8, we get 40, again minus 8. We get 32, again minus 8. We get 24, again minus 8, 16, minus 8, 8, minus 8, 0. We have to do subtraction till we get 0. So this is 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So quotient is 6. Division fact is 48 divided by 8. Quotient is 6. This is division fact.